Vâhongshânle.
The richness of common man is like a twig kindled flame.
Vâhongshânle haremhan katim sângmeiya.
The sprouting of Phagobyrum plant lasts longer than the richness of common man.
Vâiphumhâiakha vâtshok Phalunga.
Impregnated uterus is bound to burst.
thâda.
Like a bird craving for seeds.
Vareina khonshiakha kharang marika.
The curse of father-in-law makes buttocks deep with itches.
Varei shongshanna yorlã shongtunna.
Father-in-law is the uphill, sister-in-law is the downhill.
Varei vakashidi yorlã saron kami. Varei vakashina sakho kahai ngajana.
It is customary for brothers and in-laws offer trotter to sisters, and sisters offer back saron to the in-laws.
Yuishila.
The child resembles mom and dad.
Yuishila.
Children imitate after.
Wontalâ thâda.
Like the beauty of larva.
thâda mikumora ogadwiri kani katumthang ragawan gadane.
Like the blooming of plants for 2 to 3 days only, so do the human beings on earth.
Mina mitiro, sâna satiro.
Yea, man pushes it, man dies. Animal pumps it, animal dies.
Yorlã da masikongruri machikai hai baimane. Mushungata kazingni makang kharang baimane.
We shouldn't drift the wrong in the storm, neither should we toss the right in the air.
Yuishila yuitâra.
Jealousy sets before fall.
Yuishi yangshi âyuitâhaowa.
Enmity and jealousy leads to fall.
Samhan pangaju krukhat kaka ngachan khangrok thâda.
As eminence for making best wine, best rice beer.
Sarpa hai gathai.
Citing sisters vulva.
Sar shirai pashirai maningmane. Ahai ngarew patrake.
Not uterine siblings, but full siblings.
Saimok na machadongni karaka maite ke thethai gaji thâda.
Like Poptil claims to see mighty bazaar from climbing fern.
Saringara katha thâda.
Like the bridal procession of ants.
Zâtham kaira funa kamane.
Dog laugh as cooking pot breaks.
Satromagabungana apar shimaya gaji gada.
The person without packet lunch divorce more.
Sawuse I rire, what sawuse I naure.
To eat I'll start, to work I'll be the last.
Zenwa pai kamarek thaire.
Like licking Zenwa birds dropping.
Simari hasheda masikta ashima shokmane.
Just as difficult to chew with a sensitive teeth, a pinch won't bleed a drop of blood.
Singham kangama thaire.
Like the blistering sunshine.
Sinkai ngarung thâda.
As hard as Zinkai babbles.
Sinkan rana Rev Somi Kasomwoshi sosori langparna taktek mi kahai thâda.
Like tiny, shiny lizard who provoked thunder that ended up striking giant trees.
Sinkum riyauri makazanga nau thâda.
Like a child is never engaged every season.
Singmei rai gashai thâda.
The child like an epileptic seizure.
Singpa gadyaw na rishinga yinga sakhanga sakdada.
Like little drops of rainwater make a mighty ocean.
Singri sing sang hiran ka taifu rem. Singham kaureo aina.
The hot and the long day makes it more starving.
Sing shopira vuri ajon hora amairi shirotat kahai thapashine.
Same as the damsel from the east succumbed to falling from a steep slope after she was called the big sister. Like the damsel Kushmla from Zingsho succumbed to falling from a steep slope after she was called the big sister.
Sing thau kapsata uk thora gaji gata.
Like hunting fats from the sky to fill stomach.
Sing tan la mui mangapatmane.
Dreams of dawn don't fail. Dreams of dawn never fail.
Sisi parpali nationaura kayangni mangomane.
Not even children are seen during wet season.
Sulkan ngarang tuida.
As exchange of labor in seasonal changes.
Sule pum fatit hartitne.
Wet season is a period of death for dog and hen. Dog and hen die during wet season.